everybody. Look at that. So Ed and I came down to the Polaris dealership here in Lake Havasu, and he needed to get a few things for his RZR. So I thought I'd kind of walk along and check them out and drool a little. I really like that one. I like red.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
So this is a turbo.
From up here.
Look how pretty new is. Of course, this is not a, comes with a little sticker, but don't tell you how much it is. Look up in there. Holy moly. I assume this is probably like a 900 or 1,000 cc. Doesn't say. I even like this one. Yeah, but you know me in red. Wow. That is quite the cockpit there. Just so sweet. It looks like they don't come with stereos, Ed. Is that an add-on thing you have to do?
Depends on the model you buy, I think. Yeah, I think you do have to add it in.
Now this isn't for the desert, obviously, but this looks like fun to drive. Slingshot. Oh, and they have it in red. Oh, there it is. The Wildcat 1000. Oh, it's an Arctic Cat, but is that, that's not Polaris anymore. Oh, and this is what you hang on to, I guess, when you're the passenger. This thing, yeah, it really doesn't have much for seatbelts on it though either. Kind of a different thing. Vehicle 39. I don't know what that means. It's still pretty, but I like the red. There's the four-seater if you want to take a bunch of.
Yeah, this is the one that has that dynamic.
Yeah.
It's got magnetic fluid in it.
Magnetic fluid. Yeah, sweet. I told Terry, I said, I wonder if they do the $0 down and $99 a month. Hey, this one's even cheaper than that. Keys are already in it. Dang. Yeah, this is nice. These are nice. I do like the two-seaters. Oh, this has a stereo in it. Yeah, I wonder if this one's, maybe this one's used, but it does look brand new.
No, this is brand new.
And they left the keys in it. Oh yeah, look at the. Oh,
they got the little.
So yeah, they probably don't have $0 down and $99 a month. Dang, we're gonna have to try something else. Anyways, we'll walk in the store and see what they got in the store.
You never know. It's always worth asking.
Yeah, I know.
Find out for freaking 20 years.
Look at this one. This is the Hummer edition. Oh, this is somebody else's used. I mean, they obviously they have something in there.
It's got a full cab.
Oh yeah, I mean that's in comfort. That's air conditioning, every dual overhead cam. Even look at this little buggy, the single seater. Oh, I bet that thing's a blast too. Oh, the black is pretty cool looking too. Jeez, so much to choose from. I know. Hey now, little kids, I don't know, that looked great for me. I'd be happy with that thing. Maybe it's $0 down, $99 a month. A 150, fuel injected though. But yeah, I think this is, I do like black also. And I like that Polaris has the OS bar for your passengers. Some of the other ones don't. Pretty sweet. Okay, we'll go inside. I seen a reindeer in here. We gotta find the right door. Look at, they got the rebates and the little Santa deer. And they got motorcycles. And they got all kinds of goodies in here. Oh. All kinds of fun things in here. Yeah, I guess you have to ask them for how much they are. Oh, I like that. Oh, that one extends. Ooh, I like that. And a Christmas tree. Okay, I've drooled enough. Let's see what Ed's going to spend his money on now. See, he's got a big old smile on his face too. All right. Look at this. This is like into the future. Oh, it's a stick shift. And here's one with the hood open. This is pretty intense here. That looks like the Batman mobile, but cooler. Christmas is coming. That'll work. Put that in Santa's sleigh. Have you already been back here? Yeah, I know most. Okay. Push, hold on. Oh, nope. Hold on here. I might be able to lift some. Don't get in there. I'll do it. Just don't overdo it until I get it all done up. You ready? Yeah. Okay. That was a workout there.
Somebody really tore it up from climbing up this.
Yeah, they did. Here, let me hand you that.
Yeah, next time I'll have to take a better look.